Hello, and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurial. We are all about providing you with valuable content that can help ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Whether you are a seasoned business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, HouseLux Estate is here to guide you every step of the way. We cover a broad range of topics, from trending business models to the utilization of the latest technological resources, offering insights that are designed to give you an edge in today's competitive market. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey into the world of dropshipping. This business model has been gaining popularity due to its low startup costs and the ability to scale rapidly. But what if we told you there's a way to make it even more efficient? That's right. We're going to explore how AI tools can be a game changer for your dropshipping business. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into the future of entrepreneurship. Before we venture into AI tools, it's essential to understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an innovative business model that has revolutionized the e-commerce landscape. It's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Now, why would someone choose dropshipping? Well, it's all about the benefits. First off, it's easy to get started. Since you don't have to deal with physical products, there's no need for a warehouse, which significantly reduces the initial investment. You can run your business from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. Another advantage is the wide selection of products you can offer. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer an array of products to your customers. If suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your online store at no additional cost. But like any business model, dropshipping isn't without challenges. One of the most significant challenges is finding reliable suppliers. Since you're not managing the inventory or shipping, your business's reputation is in the hands of your suppliers. If they mess up, it's on you. Another challenge is the low margins. Since dropshipping is incredibly easy to start, many businesses set up shop and sell items at rock-bottom prices in an attempt to grow revenue. They've invested so little in getting the business started, so they can afford to operate on minuscule margins. And let's not forget about the fierce competition. Since it's so easy to get started, many people are drawn to dropshipping, meaning the market can be saturated. With the right tools and strategies, dropshipping can be a lucrative business model. And that's where AI tools come into play. They can help you overcome these challenges and build a successful dropshipping business. But more on that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Now, how does AI come into the picture, you might ask? Well, artificial intelligence, or AI, plays a significant role in optimizing dropshipping operations. It's like having a highly efficient, tireless assistant working behind the scenes. To kick things off, AI can automate market research, identifying trending products and potential suppliers. It can analyze vast amounts of data far quicker than any human, spotting patterns and predicting trends before they explode onto the market. Next up, AI is a game changer in inventory management. It can track stock levels in real time, predict future demand, and even auto-replenish supplies, ensuring you never miss a sale due to stockouts. And let's not forget customer service. AI chatbots can handle common queries around the clock, providing quick and consistent responses. This not only enhances customer experience, but also frees up your time to focus on strategy and growth. The use of AI in dropshipping can streamline the process and increase your profit margin. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of dropshipping. Ready to start your dropshipping journey with AI? Here's a step-by-step guide. First off, let's talk about choosing the right AI tools. There's a variety of options available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some AI tools can help you identify trending products, while others can optimize your pricing strategy. It's crucial to choose an AI tool that aligns with your business goals. For instance, if you're aiming to sell high-demand products, an AI tool that can analyze market trends would be ideal. On the other hand, if your focus is on competitive pricing, an AI tool that can dynamically adjust prices based on market conditions might be more suitable. Once you've chosen your AI tools, it's time to set up your dropshipping business. Setting up involves picking a niche, choosing a supplier, and creating a website. Selecting a niche can be tricky, but remember, success lies where passion meets demand. So choose a niche that you're passionate about and where there's demand. Your chosen AI tool can help you identify such niches based on market data. Next, it's time to choose a supplier. Here, reliability is key. You want a supplier who can deliver quality products on time. Some AI tools can help you evaluate suppliers based on their track record, ensuring you partner with the best. Creating a website is your next step. This is your store's online presence, so make sure it's user-friendly and appealing. Some AI tools can help you design a website that's optimized for conversions, ensuring your visitors turn into customers. Now that you've set up your business, let's talk about optimizing operations using AI. AI can help you streamline various aspects of your business, from inventory management to customer service. For instance, AI can predict sales trends, helping you manage your inventory effectively. It can also automate customer service, ensuring your customers get immediate responses to their queries. AI can also help you with marketing. It can analyze customer behavior and personalize marketing messages, increasing engagement and conversions. Plus, it can optimize your SEO strategy, helping you rank higher in search engine results. Now, let's not forget about pricing. AI can dynamically adjust your prices based on various factors like demand, competition, and seasonality. This ensures you always offer competitive prices, maximizing your profits. Lastly, remember to constantly monitor and adjust your strategies. The world of dropshipping is dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. AI can provide you with real-time insights, helping you stay ahead of the game. But while AI is a powerful tool, it's not a magic wand. Success in dropshipping requires dedication, hard work, and patience. It's about building relationships with your customers, providing quality products, and offering excellent customer service. AI is just a tool that can make your journey easier and more efficient. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business is consistency and constant learning. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and let AI be your guide in your dropshipping journey. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We embarked on a journey to understand the concept of dropshipping, a business model that allows you to operate without holding inventory or owning a warehouse. It's the perfect business model for those looking to start their own business with minimal upfront investment. Next, we delved into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its role in the dropshipping business. We discovered that AI can be a game changer, offering solutions for inventory management, price optimization, customer service, and much more. It's clear that integrating AI tools into your business strategy can significantly increase efficiency and profitability. We then navigated through a step-by-step guide on how to build a successful dropshipping business using AI. We started by identifying the right products to sell, followed by choosing a reliable supplier. We highlighted the importance of creating a compelling website and employing effective marketing strategies, all while leveraging AI tools to automate and optimize these processes. Moreover, we emphasized the importance of customer service in a dropshipping business and how AI can help improve it. From AI chatbots that provide instant customer support to AI-powered data analytics that offer insights into customer behavior, it's evident that AI can play a pivotal role in enhancing customer satisfaction and retaining clients. We also discussed the role of AI in helping to predict market trends, enabling you to stay ahead of the game and keep your business thriving. By utilizing AI tools, you can analyze market data, predict customer behavior, and make informed decisions that drive your business growth. In conclusion, building a successful dropshipping business is no small feat, but with the right tools and strategies, it's certainly achievable. And as we've seen today, AI tools can be an entrepreneur's best friend, providing invaluable assistance every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today at HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights. Until next time, keep hustling.